Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Mozilla Thunderbird not sending emails in 2026. If your messages stay in the outbox or fail to send, the problem is often related to the outgoing mail server or account authentication. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection and make sure Thunderbird is online. Then, open the account settings and review the outgoing SMTP server configuration. Confirm that the SMTP server address, port, connection security, and authentication method match the settings provided by your email provider. Next, check the username and password used for outgoing mail. If you recently changed your email password, Thunderbird may still be using old login information. You may need to remove the saved password and sign in again with your current credentials. Also, check whether your email provider requires a special sign-in method, two-factor authentication, or an app-specific password. If the message is stuck in the outbox, try saving it as a draft and sending it again after correcting the account settings. You should also check whether the attachment is too large or whether the message contains an issue that could prevent delivery. If everything looks correct, restart Thunderbird and try sending a small test email. And that's how to troubleshoot Thunderbird when it won't send emails. Checking the SMTP settings, authentication, and account password usually helps identify the problem. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.